Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer your Sonos system to a different account using the Sonos app. Let's get started. First, open the Sonos app on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Sonos speaker. At the top right, tap on the settings icon or tap on your profile. Tap on account details. Here you will see the email of the account currently signed in. Now go back to the main profile page. Tap on sign out. This will disconnect the current account from the app. Confirm when asked. Now that you are signed out, the app will take you back to the welcome screen. Tap sign in and enter the email and password for the new Sonos account you want to use. Once signed in, Sonos may ask if you want to take over the system. Tap yes or take over to connect the new account to the existing Sonos setup. This will transfer control of the system to the new account. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your Sonos system to a new account using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.